Good morning. This is Triptika from BTech second year CSE. Now let's see the execution and demonstration of experiment number 7, which is the concept of hash tables. So basically, hash table is a data structure that stores data in key value form, in key value pairs, like dictionaries and dictionary kind of things. So we can think of, for example, we can think like key is a register number, value is phone number, so that we could while entering the data, we could give key and value pair. So how does it work? So let's see how it works is, if we have a key like register number and the value like phone number, hash function, how it executes is, hash function would convert the key into an index. So just like telling index is equal to a key mod table size. So if the key, if at all, my register number is 1269. So if the key is divisible, sorry, if the key is mod by table size, that is, for example, table size is 10, 1269 modulo 10 would give us 9. So this is how the hash function was work into it. So now let's see how the execution of the code happens. Okay, so before that, let's see how the code looks like. So this is what the code is all about. First we have to create a class called hash table. So in this we'll be using constructor, which will define two lists, register number and mobile number, as told earlier. So register number would be considered as key, and mobile number would be considered as values. So to store the register number, we use a register number, a list called register number, and to store the mobile numbers, we use a list called mobile number. So which is values. And then we'll be creating hash function. We saw what hash function does. So the hash function would determine where to place a particular key in the table. So in the whole table, hash function is the one which would determine where it has to be placed. If at all the modular operator key mod size is used, for example, my register number was given, and if the particular data that we obtain, it would be stored in that particular index. So nextly, we'll be performing insert operation. So insert operation, this is where we insert a record. So the program would first find the position where the hash function has to be inserted. Then the position is if the position is empty, it would store the data there. If the space is already occupied, then linear probing will happen further. So nextly, we'll see, we could see search is performed, search operation is performed. So here the function would search for a given register number. It would start from an index written by the hash function, and it would linearly move until the key is found. If the key would match, the mobile number would be displayed. If it is not found, a particular some kind of message would be printed, kind of it is not found, or sort of. And then we'd be performing delete operation. So here is the delete operation. Uh, this method would remove a particular record based on the register number. So it would search for a key, and if it is found, it would set back it to -1, which means it is empty. And then we would display the function. Display function will be used. So this function will print the entire hash table. So the entire to print the entire hash table, we use display function. So each index would show a register number and mobile number stored at that particular position. And then let's come into the main block. So in this main function, we first take the hash table size from the user. So I get it from the user. After that, we go on with menu driven concept. Menus display with certain options, which one to be performed initially and then next. So first insert followed by search, and then delete, display, and then execute. So these are the menu options to be performed. uh, And then each operation is performed using the corresponding methods inside the hash table class itself. So the loop would continue until the exit operation is performed. So now let's see how the execution happens. Uh, okay, so now let's see. Okay, so it's asking me for the size. Let me give it 3. So inserting. So first, let me take the operation as insertion. That's the number 1 to 16. Let me give mine itself, my mobile number. Okay. Okay. So firstly, at index 0, my register number is inserted. Now let's insert another thing also, another uh, data. If I have to search for my own thing again, let me search. The phone number would be printed. And if I have to, let me insert another thing into it. And then it would print the index of that particular register number where it would get stored. Now let me delete it. Let me delete a recently created 1156 register number. It would be deleted successfully from index number 1. Now let me uh, ask for the display, how it looks like. So yeah, so this is how my hash table would look like. Index 0, index 1, and index 2. And then finally, I'm exiting out of the menu ribbon. So unless I give an exit, it would not come out of the exit loop. So this is how the execution happens. So we saw in exercise number 7 how the execution of hash tables happen. So this is how the process of hash functions and hash table actually takes place. So uh, the demonstration and execution is completely being shown. Thank you.